Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start another video on German language. So in this video we will learn the names of animals in German. First one is der Löwe. Der Löwe means lion. Once again, der Löwe means lion. Der Tiger, tiger. Der Tiger means tiger. Der Hund, der Hund. Der Hund means dog. Der Kater. Der Kater means cat. It is for male cat. Der Kater. But for female cat, die Katze. Die Katze. Female cat. Der Elephant. Der Elephant. Elephant. Das Pferd. Das Pferd. Horse. Der Affe. Der Affe is monkey. Der Sieger. Der Sieger is goat. Der Hirsch. Der Hirsch means deer. Der Dinosaurier. Der Dinosaurier means dinosaur. Das Zebra. Zebra. Das Zebra means zebra. Das Eichhörnchen. Das Eichhörnchen. Squirrel. Das Kaninchen. Das Kaninchen or der Hase means rabbit. So there are two words for it. Das Kaninchen or der Hase. Die Maus or die Ratte. Die Maus or die Ratte. Mouse or rat. Die Schlange. Die Schlange means snake. Der Hahn. Der Hahn. Der Hahn means rooster. Die Henne. Die Henne means hen. Die Kuh. Die Kuh. The Kuh means cow. Die Giraffe. Die Giraffe is giraffe. Das Schwein. Das Schwein means pig. Das camel. Das camel means camel. Das crocodile. Das crocodile means crocodile. The shield creature. The shield creature means turtle. Their fish. Their fish means fish. Their fowl. Their fowl means peacock. Their papagayi. Their papagayi means parrot. Their bear. Their bear means bear.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss
So that
an
is all
update.
for this video. So we'll learn something new
Subscribe
next
now
video. So
and
till
press
then,
the bell
tschüss.
icon. Never miss an update.
Danke.